Bon après-midi everyone. My today's topic is zero budget natural farming. Nowadays the farming becomes the worst of the worst and it divided into two types. Natural farming and organic farming. What is natural farming? Farming used by chemicals and some other injections, and the organic farming completely used by the organic products. It's like as normal waste and cow dungs, etc. And the organic farm is really an organic farming? I just doubt that. If we see through, our normal farming is more than equal to the organic farming. But why is this difference in farming and price? Let's see. In India, the government of Andhra Pradesh, GOAP, the Department of Agriculture, is implementing Andhra Pradesh zero budget natural farming through Rityu Sadhika Samastha, the RYSS, Corporation for Farming Empowerment. RYSS is not for profit organization established in government of Andhra Pradesh. The program has been initiated in 2015 to 2016, which multiple objects of enhancing farmers' welfare, consumer welfare, and for the conservation of the environment. Zero budget natural farming is a holistic alternative to the present paradigm of high cost chemical inputs based on the agriculture. It is very effective in addressing the uncertainties of climate change. Zero budget natural farming principles are in harmony with the principles of agroecology. It's with the principle of agroecology. Its uniqueness is that it is based on the latest scientific discoveries in agriculture, and at the same time it rooted in Indian tradition. UNFAO in April 2018 urged all the countries to move towards the adoption of the agroecology to meet the twin goals of global food security and conservation of the environment. In Andhra Pradesh, zero budget natural farming in numbers, nearly 5,80,000 farmers are members of this organization, and more than 3,011 villages, and it's really included 2,60,000 acres of land. And what's about the zero budget natural farming? The zero budget natural farming is a farming practice that believes in nature growth of crops without adding any fertilizers or pesticides or any other foreign elements. The word zero budget refers to the zero net cost of the production of all crops, internal crops, border crops, multi crops, etc. This inputs used for seeds, treatments, and other inclusion are locally available in the form of cow dung and cow urine. The zero budget natural farming practicing farmers has low cost of input and thus has better capacity to increase the income. At the same time, zero budget natural farming crops helps in retaining soil fertility and in the climate change of resilient. The four wheels of zero budget natural farming. The first wheel, seed treatment, and the second wheel, no fertilizers, no pesticides. The third wheel, soil, straw, and leaf. The fourth wheel, soil moisture. The father of zero budget natural farming and Padma Shri awardee, Shri Subhash Phalkar, has proved four important non-negotiable guidelines are this we seen before. In AP, zero budget natural farming is working towards promoting these guidelines to farmers and ensure a chemical free agriculture at low cost or zero cost to farmers and thereby enhancing their incomes. And though this is my own opinion, why can't we implement in this process in every state of India? A state can improvise their agriculture level than any other states in our country. Why can't why can't we do that? And why can't other states? Because of the issues in the day to day life. When the time comes when a farmer can decide the price of his own product, that day India will definitely become one of the fully developed nation. And this is my end of the speech. And thank you for all, and thank you for listening my speech. I hope all of you understand what I was. Thank you.